All Kaysor-style fan clutches are spring-engaged, but unlike the Horton-style fan clutches, where the pulley and clutching mechanism are one integral piece, these systems are always a two-piece design. The first piece is the hub, and consists of the pulley and the bracket. The second piece is the fan clutch itself. Once the two pieces are bolted together, you have the completed fan clutch assembly. Each of the two pieces in the assembly will have their own unique part number. Historically, the part number for the hub will begin with 1077, and the part number for the clutch will begin with 1090. The part number for the complete assembly will begin with 1093.